Today I'll be unboxing the Disney Lacers Series 7 collectible shoes. The theme for this series is classic Disney Channel shows. These were released in February of 2026 and they are available in the parks and at the Disney store for $16.99 per box, and there is one shoe in each box. The Disney store also sells these as a complete collection for $99.99, and that is what I have here. So I have all 6 shoe designs to show you. So the shoe designs we can get are the Proud Family, Kim Possible, Phineas and Ferb, High School Musical, and Lizzie McGuire, and there's also a mystery shoe design. So let's open these up and see the shoes. So I have 6 boxes here to open up, which contain all 6 shoe designs. So this will be a somewhat interesting unboxing for me for a couple of reasons. Number one, it's like 5:17 a.m. So it's the only time I could find to film a video this week. So yeah, it's early, but we'll see how that goes. And the other interesting thing is I don't know any of these shows. I mean, I know Phineas and Ferb. My son used to watch Phineas and Ferb, so I saw that a lot on TV, so I know some of the characters. I can sing the theme song and all of that. But the other ones I have never seen an episode of, so this will be interesting. I don't know the characters' names or anything like that. And then the mystery shoe design, if it's classic Disney Channel shows, I'm going to guess Hannah Montana. That was a Disney Channel show, right? And I think it's one of the biggest ones, so I don't see how they could leave that one out. So that's my guess for the mystery shoe, Hannah Montana. So let's see what we get. Now, I don't know what order these are in, so this could be the mystery shoe. So let's see. Open it up. We have our paper here with the little hidden Mickey heads. And our first shoe is Phineas and Ferb. So let's get it out of the bag here. And we have, well, on this side, which side do they show on the, I always like to start with the side they show. Oh, they're actually showing this side. Okay. So on this side, we have Perry the Platypus, but I think when he has his hat on, he's Agent P. Is that right? And then it says never flinch. Very cool. Agent P. And then on the other side, we have, what is this? Ferb, Phineas. It seems weird to say it that way. Phineas and Ferb. And then we have Perry the Platypus. So that's what he looks like when he's just the platypus. And then the other side, Agent P. Yeah, and I do remember my son telling me that Phineas looks like the letter F or the letter P, and Ferb looks like the letter F. So that's how I can tell them apart. And then the top of the shoe, we have nothing on the toe of the shoe, just blue, and there's nothing on the tongue of the shoe. A lot of these do have writing on the tongue, but this one doesn't. And then down on the inside, looks like we do have something. We have the Phineas and Ferb logo. And this is one of the ones that has something on the back of the shoe. And we have, looks like little characters there, Phineas and Ferb. See, that you can really tell looks like a P and an F. And then the bottom of the shoe, we're back to the standard Disney Lacers with the Mickey head down here. And on the heel, it has something different for all of these shoes. So then it has Phineas and Ferb, or looks like a P and an F down there. Very cool. So the last unboxing I did of these were Pixar ones, and the bottoms of the shoes were different. They had the Pixar ball logo, I think, on the bottom instead of the Mickey head. All right, in shoe 2, let's see what we get here. I see through the tissue paper, I see some gray or light blue bottom. Oh, this might be the mystery shoe. Oh, and it is. Oh, I don't know what this is. All right, we have the mystery shoe. Oh, this is going to be so fun. I could have done research on these and figured them all out, but I figured I couldn't fake that, right? It's like, oh, that's so-and-so. Yeah, right. You don't know what you're talking about. So now I truly don't know what I'm talking about. So we have, we go this side, right? So we have the mystery shoe, and yeah, I don't know what this is. I'm going to guess, wasn't there a show called Gravity Falls? Maybe? So anyway, we have these two characters here that are very scared, and it looks like there's some kind of book there or something. And in the background, it has like a wilderness. If that gives me any clues. And on the other side, we have those same two characters and a little pig. And now they are not scared. And the one character has a tree, a hat with a tree on it. It's a great video. I'm giving you good information here. And then on the top of the shoe, we have nothing on the toe. It's a white toe, but we do have something on the tongue. So we have a little tree. It matches what's on his hat. And then the back of the shoe is just a green stripe there. And what do we have down on the inside? We have, that is really hard to see. They look like little gnomes. Looks like a stack of little gnomes to me. You're getting a much better view than I am. And on the bottom, we have the same pattern designed down here. And then at the on the heel, we have a hand with a 3. Does that mean anything to you? All right, so there we go. We got our mystery shoe out of the way. And hey, I was hoping for something I knew, but honestly, I don't know many Disney Channel shows. So let's see what we get in shoe 3. We have, I see some green. So what would that be? It is Kim Possible. All right. Now this is another show. Never seen. But I at least know that's Kim Possible, so I can pick her out. So we have Kim Possible here, and she is hanging from a rope, and it looks like we got like a cool little map or satellite image behind her. And on the other side, very similar background, and we just have her. It looks like she's probably landed, and she's ready to get to work on whatever she's spying on or whatever. And there is another little character down here in the corner. I have no idea who that is. And the top of the shoe, so we have a black toe with the orange laces, green sides of the shoe there. And it does say something on the tongue of the shoe, but wow, I cannot read that. Looks like it says maybe call me something. I don't know. I can't see it with my eyes, but you're probably seeing it just fine. And down on the inside, we have, in the right light here, the Kim Possible logo. That's what most of them have down on the inside, is the logo of the whatever the shoe theme is. And on the back, this one does have something on the back, and it says communicator. Hey, I'm guessing that's the communicator device, the communicator. And on the bottom, we do have the KP logo down on the heel. Very cool. I like that one. I like the colors of that one. Kind of fits really well together. All right, off to the next shoe. Ooh, I see a lot of pink. My voice too. Hey, it's 5 a.m. All right, so this one is, we got a lot of pink. So of course this is Lizzie McGuire. And I will let you know that when I saw this one, I at least looked up what the shows were called. I did not know who this was. I was like, Sabrina the Teenage Witch? No, that ain't it. So we have Lizzie McGuire, and on this side, she is laying there with her head on her hands, and she has a bunch of flowers in the background. Lots of bright colors on this one. And on the other side, kind of a similar scene, but she's sitting up a little bit more. Very cool. And the top of the shoe, we do have something on the heel. We have some flowers on the, not the heel, on the toe. So we have some flowers, we've got pink laces, nothing on the tongue. It's all orange, but nothing there. And then down on the inside, let me guess, the Lizzie McGuire logo. Maybe. Ooh, I don't know. Might cut that upside down. I have no idea what that says. Looks like it says something, but yeah, I'm not sure. I can't see that. And then on the back, it's just an orange back. And then down on the bottom of the shoe, we have the, oh, it's the same thing that's inside, the thing I can't read. I don't know. It looks like it says a word. Oh, I think it might say Lizzie. That would make sense. So maybe it is the logo. Wow, I'm pretty bad today. All right, we have 2 shoes left. Let's see which one we get. Ooh, we have the Wildcats. So this would be High School Musical. And I know that is a pretty big show, and then it went into some movies and stuff, but yeah, never seen it. Never seen the movies, never seen the shows. And so on this side, it says Wildcats, and we have a kind of the logo of the Wildcats. I'm going to assume here that that's the mascot of the school. And then on the other side, we have a big E, and it says East High School Wildcats. So yeah, there we go. So East High School Wildcats. Very cool. And then on the top of the shoe, it says East High with the Wildcats logo and some stars. That's pretty cool. That's on the toe, and we have red laces. Nothing on the tongue of the shoe. And then down on the inside, what does that say? That is not the logo. That says I Heart HSM. So I Heart High School Musical. That's cool. So I like it when it's something different down there and not just the logo. This one has logos enough on it. And then this one does have something on the back. It says Wildcats up on the shoe there, going down the back. Very nice. And then the bottom of this shoe is all black, red, and white. And we do have the Wildcat logo down on the heel. That is a really cool shoe. I can see this being like a real shoe. Like people would buy that. It looks really cool. A lot of high schools have those colors too, the red, white, and black. All right, we're down to the last shoe. Which one are we missing? We are missing the Proud family. All right, let's get this one out here. And this one, which again, I know I've said it many times, I have never seen this show before, and there are a whole lot of characters on this one. So we have this side, we've got a lot of stars in the background, and yeah, tons of characters. I have no idea what any of these characters' names are. Yeah, that's a lot. I'm guessing Proud family, so I'm guessing this is the family. And then on the other side, we have another two characters, and then another little happy face there. Where is that a character? I am not sure. Cool. And then the top, we have red laces, yellow toe, but nothing on the toe. But we do have that same happy face on the tongue of the shoe. Matches the same happy face on the side. And then down on the inside, let's see what we got. We have, it says louder and prouder. Cool. So that's not the just the show logo either. Nice. I like that. And then on the back, it's just a brown, whatever that is. Man, I really need to look up what that shoe, part of the shoe is called. This is my 7th Disney Lacer video, and I still have yet to look up what this piece of the shoe is called. And then on the bottom, we have, I don't know what that is on the heel. It looks like a 3D happy face. Then it has like hearts for eyes, if I'm seeing that correctly. So there we go. So those are all 6 of the Series 7 shoe designs, the classic Disney Channel shows. So those are the Disney Lacers Series 7 collectible shoes, the classic Disney Channel shows. Let me know down in the comments which shoe design was your favorite. Now, out of all of these shows, the only show that I somewhat know is Phineas and Ferb, but I think my favorite shoe here is actually the High School Musical one. I just love the color scheme of that one, the black, white, and red, just kind of classic sports colors there. And I just think that makes a really cool looking shoe. And I know I say this a lot in all of these lacer videos, but if they made this shoe in real life, people would buy it. Like if they team up with, say, Converse, and they have Converse All-Stars that are designed to look like this, people would buy this shoe. So Disney, get on it. And I do want to point out that, well, most of you probably already know, but I guessed correctly on Gravity Falls. Hey, I'm kind of proud of myself. So I've heard of that. I don't know. I must have seen pictures of it or something, because when I saw those characters, that's what came to my mind was Gravity Falls, and it was correct. So I got that one right, which is cool. So if you like these Disney Lacers, be sure to check out my channel, because this is the 7th, Series 7. So I know I at least have 7 videos of these, and I have a playlist on the homepage that has all of these videos. And what time is it here? What did I finish at? 5:35. So hey, that's not bad. Now I maybe should get some breakfast or go back to bed, or I don't know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.